Mga kaibigan, patuloy na lang ho tayo just to continue it. Mga kaibigan, once again, good morning. I would like to ask for you, in the first place, I am not expert. I am not one of those people who are qualified once and for all. But I have also a little bit of knowledge regarding of this because I have so experience for this mga kaibigan for being a radio operator in the certain station in the PNP. There is a lot of calls, there is a lot of the people needs to be assisted, and some of those other people are very arrogant. They are arguing to the police officer, especially in the legal matters, in the proper procedure and protocols, how to do work on it, mga kaibigan. So there is a call that they need for an assistance. This kind of assistance is to be present physically. If you want to put your complaint into record, which is in the logbook, which is in the blotter, they are not to be blotter on call, mga kaibigan. This mama of those because these kinds of allegedly family trouble or called a domestic trouble, mga kaibigan. So according to here, just call to put into record that I am seeing, mga kaibigan, that if you are put into record for the future reference, because blotter, they could not constitute a criminal offense of an individuals in the first place. Unless otherwise, you can file a formal complaint to be used this blotter entry that you are putting into record for the future reference. But the blotter alone, they could not constitute a criminal offense of a certain individual. And just I reiterated to here that you are personally appeared to this office in order for you to discuss, to elaborate what will happen during that time. Just not covered in our time frame to be responded. So that's why your presence physically is very important if you are putting into record as a blotter. So that's why they are arguing us. No? Hindi na po yung tama, mga kaibigan. Which is, yung sabi niya, ito yung proper procedure, ito yung proper, saan ba yung proper dyan, na ang sabi ho, physically ho kayo to be present para kayo po'y magpapablatter. Period. Wala na hong ibang discussions. But sabi sa babaeng ito, isang ingrata siguro to, maldita kayo, that is a proper procedure. No. The proper procedure, I am receiving your call and I answering your call. But putting into record, for me, hindi na yun siya ang nagpapaplatter. Ako na yun. So, that's the time I discuss to it. So, yun na yun, mga kaibigan. So, that's why, in every procedure, as a radio operator, we need to see to it what is the proper procedure and protocol under of the standard operating procedure and also the operations of the law. So that's why, mga kaibigan, kayo dyan, mga bright, wag ninyong gamitin ho yun. Very dangerous knowledge is the most, yung gamay rang ato ang natunan. So that's why, mga kaibigan, just to be flexible, just to be acceptable all the things that we have, mga kaibigan. And also, mga kaibigan, there is a question here. Ano bang kaibahan? Ano bang ibig sabihin ng MR? MR is called yung mga decision sa korte po yun, no? Yung mag-motion reconsideration. Kasi may nagtatanong dito, wag na kayong magtanong sa akin if you are more than knowledgeable than me. So, I answer it through text that motion reconsiderations, that is the case would be nanay decision, which is the decision of the elevated court, which is the RTC or the MTC. So, when we say MR, motion to reconsiderations, as a short, mga kaibigan, that is a requesting to the judge or etc. in order to take a second look of the case. That is a motion reconsideration. But if you are requesting for motion to investigation, re-investigation, hindi na po yun MR. Hindi na po yun MR. Pag ganyan ho ang magpapa-investigate ka uli. Just to down. Kasi ang to be motion for re-investigation nasa PNP po yan, if I'm not mistaken, and also in the PI, the preliminary investigation. Dalawa po yun. Investigation by the kasi hindi po siya malinaw magtanong. Pa-bread siguro to. Hindi po malinaw. Kasi yung motion reconsideration, the case would be to requesting the judge to take a look kasi kaya motion reconsideration tawag. That is a legal term. No, sa mga judge naman wala na taan. But I only reiterated a little bit, no. If you want, punta lang kayo sa korte, punta kayo sa piskal. Ano bang ibig sabihin actually ng ganon? Because there is a lot of lawyers here. Doon na kayo magtanong sa mga lawyers. Maraming nag-ano dito. Mayroon dito si Atty. Topacio. Yung mga idol ho natin. Atty. Salpanilo. Atty. Turion. No? Atty. Mark Tolentino. Mayroon dito. Wala na yon si patay naman si Miriam Defensor. Marami. Atty. BP Sara. Marami ba? Pwede kayo magtanong dyan. Mga piskal. Punta kayo doon. Yung mga mga kaibigan. Para malilinawan ho kayo. Basta, if you are requesting for investigation, hindi na po yun motion reconsideration. Motion for re-investigation. So, I think, mangyayari yan. You can request by the 4PI. Doon na sa piskal. Then, piskal to PNP, ganun, sa investigator. So, that is a procedure ba? Parang just to be follow for the chronological order, the operations of law. Para dili ta malibog. Kaya mayroon tayong tinatawag, sabihin yung steel tip. 'Di ba? Yung steel tip, yung roller, 'di ba? Nag-start sa 0 bago ang 1. 'Di ba? Ganon rin ang procedure ng batas. Pag sabihin natin MR, that is motion reconsideration requesting that to take a second look for the case. That is, if I am not mistaken, because I am not expert. Baka sabihin nyo dito pa ano-ano ta dito, no? Putang igit. So ganon ho mga kaibigan. So too much for that, no? Siguro natanong na yung mga tanong ninyo, yung po very yung mga decision na dyan, tanong na lang kayo sa mga judges, sa mga lawyer, sa mga piskal. Mayroon naman dyan, mga PAW, ganon, mga kaibigan. But in terms to the legal procedure of the arrest, ganon, pwede kayo magtanong sa mga police station natin. No? But only, I assure you, kayo po'y magpapablatter, present physically yourselves. Hindi po yan pwede ipapadala, hindi po yan pwede i-text, mga kaibigan. And mind you, mayroon pa isa. Wala pong notary to the public or notarization sa PNP. Nasa mga law firm po yun, mga kaibigan, either the fiscal or any lawyer kung gusto silang mag-notary. Di ba? Kasi mayroong yung nakaraan, nag-ano sa akin, inaaway pa ho tayo, bakit walang notary? Saan man yung kakita police station nag-notary? Tangigit. Police clearance mayroon dyan. Blatter mayroon dyan. Investigation mayroon dyan. Ganun. So, thank you so much for watching us, mga kaibigan. I hope so, no? Yung makikinig ka kung ikaw man yung nagtatanong.